space where your dreams take shape. A polished floor below, supporting every step, where strength and style combine in perfect harmony. Remember weekend projects under fluorescent light, your workshop's heart beating strong when day turns night. A surface built to last through every coat you lay. Kickstands, tool chest, memories in every spray. No more chip concrete or oil stains on display. Just a mirror finishing to brighten up your day. Ready for the family car or the weekend ride. A floor you can depend on with every single stride. Garage floors gleam like new beneath your